What you doing, Jeremiah? In the pan, yeah. The other pan we were using, we needed to take outside, so we just dumped the chaff on the stanchion there. And oh, good, you found it. We were looking for the lead rope. Yeah. When we're milking, we're having Gertrude come up and stand in this section because this is a really long stanchion, and the other cow that was here kind of messed up the head gate, so we're not really using the head gate at this point. Go get my cow.
I will. Hey, y'all, boys, pull that feed pan back some.
Yeah, pull it back to where we usually feed her. And then we actually tie her to the post and she just stands. We're gonna eventually probably work on this and fix it better so that we can use it more efficiently, but it works just fine for now. Oh, good morning, piggies. Hey, y'all. They get their water dumped out just about every night. We'll get in there and rinse it and refill it, and we'll feed them. You can see they're a little skittish still, but they're getting better. As soon as we feel comfortable with them not running away, we will go ahead and put them outside in pasture with electric. So, but we don't want to jump the gun and do that and have wild pigs running loose, because that would be real bad. Where did she run off?
I'm not sure exactly where she's at.
She was right here, but she usually goes around back there. Yeah. Good morning, Mama.
Hey, Gertie.
Mama cow.
Come on, Gertie.
Yes, we hear you. Your baby. Well, she is letting us know. She is. All right. She's a good cow. I gotta get to milking.
All right.
All right. Clean her udder really good with this rag. It has a little bit of soap and water on it. We actually took clippers and shaved a little bit, trimmed the hair, so that would keep her udder cleaner.
Yeah,
keep dirt out of the milk.
Dirt and manure from being stuck in it.
Yeah. So that's not cool. Getting your milk.
No.
Oh.
She's backing
Where you
up.
going, honey? She backed up here. She's like,
Yep. Okay.
What are y'all doing back there? She's interested. There we go.
Okay.
All right.
Kylie, you need to fit the milk paint strainer over that.
I squirted with each teeth.
Alright, so what we do to keep junk out of our milk,
Keep it clean.
this is a paint strainer that we just get off of Amazon. We just stretch it, like this works better.
Yeah.
Stretch it over the bucket where the milk just flows right through it. And I just hold it tight while they milk, and it keeps any kind of manure or dirt, mud, grass,
On her
anything
belly,
from just getting,
hair, anything like that.
yeah, hair from getting in the milk.
Yep.
So she is spraying milk.
Yeah, it's spraying out. She is full and ready to be milked.
Hey, Gertie.
See?
Okay.
See that squirting?
Yep, and it's recording.
Kylie and I, our team milk cow. Whoa! This is why.
She's still learning.
It's why we do. It's a 3-person job right now, so Derek can control the bucket, so she does move forward.
I mean, all in all, she is an extremely good cow.
I mean, we are a week and 1 day into milking her, and this is how she is.
And she's mostly been like this.
Yeah, and we would touch her udder and stuff when she was pregnant, and she just didn't bother her at all. And
Yep.
since we've been milking, she's mostly been really calm. The first couple of days, she just had to get used to the routine. But
Yeah, as you can see, she came right up and walked right up on the stanchion now. No problems. Hopefully I'm not talking too loud into the camera. I forgot it's right by my face.
that's what video editing software is for.
Yeah.
You can edit that, adjust that.
And Gertie's just here chewing on her chaff hay.
My arms are starting to get stronger, but it does. My hands and arms are a little cramped up while I'm doing it.
See that foot move?
Yep.
Just a step forward. She's not agitated.
Yep.
She still looks pretty full.
Yeah, she's getting a lot more milk. We got a gallon and a quart, or a gallon and a little over a quart the other day. Yesterday we got a gallon and just under a quart, but it had only been about 10 hours between milking. So today...
Or between when we pulled the calf. We pulled the calf on 10 hours.
Yeah, not between pulling the calf. We pulled the calf at night, and so it's been about 12 hours. So I'm expecting to get over a gallon and a quart again. Her production will keep increasing for about 2 months. So the more we milk, the more we're going to get. We tried milking like when we pulled the calf, but the calf keeps her empty all day, so there was nothing to milk. But I don't mind just milking once a day anyway. It's kind of nice. You can hear that baby buttercup's like, Mama!
She knows it's not going to be long since she hears us in here.
Kylie needs to start coming out here while she's in the stall and spending time with her.
Yeah, to get her tame.
Yeah, she'll let us pet her because she's getting a little wild. She's getting harder and harder to catch.
Yeah, usually when we catch her, we're putting a halter on her and leading her into the barn, and she doesn't like that. Yeah. So we need to work on making our visits a little more pleasant for her.
I want her to associate us with fun. She's getting close to being empty. That's a lot more milk than we've been getting.
Yeah, it is. And you've only been milking for 4.5 minutes.
Really?
Yep.
We're fast.
Y'all are fast.
And then we just kind of massage. Bump her udder. The calf naturally bumps the udder. Calves are much harsher on udders than humans, I promise. So we just kind of massage a little and bump it and get her to put down more milk. Cows will hold up their milk for their calves, so she's not giving us everything. And part of that, a lot of what she's holding up is the cream.
Hey, Kylie, watch your leg if she steps forward, baby, okay?
Yeah. With
the other foot.
Yeah, scoot back so you can get away real quick if she steps forward. Alright, I think we're about empty. Yep, you see.
Okay.
She is empty.
Alright.
We keep the net on the milk.
Yeah, we keep it on until we get in the house. That way, if a chicken flies up and kicks up a bunch of dust or something, the milk is still good.
About half full.
I don't know if you can see down in there. Yep.
It's more milk than we've been getting.
It is. It's awesome.
That's exciting. All right, Buttercup. She doesn't love the halter. Hey, sweet baby, come on. Go. Cows and calves do not like to be halter trained, but it'll be worth it in the long run, putting the effort in. Here's your baby, Mama. We have to keep them separated till we get out of the barn because they go get the gate for Daddy. If we let them get close enough, the calf will want to nurse, and once she stops to nurse, there's no budging Gertrude to get her to go outside, so we'll have to stand here and wait for them. You can see she's like, my baby's back there. Come on, Pepper. Pepper always stands right there. Alright, I'm gonna strain the milk. I have to stand on this stool back here because this counter is too tall for me.
Yeah.
Half a gallon.
That's a whole gallon.
There's 1 gallon. Wow. That's about a quart and a pint.
Yep, so that's 1 3/4. Oh well, not quite.
3/4 of a half gallon.
Yeah.
Hey, give me one of the milk jars real quick out of the fridge. I want to show you. Where's my lids too for this? Right there. Knock them. Oops. Down. That's a lot of milk. We're gonna all go outside in a minute, Jacob. I just want to show you all the cream line that we're getting so far, and she'll continue to increase that as she lets down her cream more for us because she holds it up for the calf. So we're pretty pleased.
Cream line from here
Yep.
up is cream.
That's all the cream, and the rest is separates. So, and when you go to drink it, we just shake it up so it makes it all whole milk. It all shakes together and it makes it. It's all liquid. It's just thicker. The cream right at the top is thicker. It's all the butter fat.
What do you have there, Kylie?
Asparagus.
Bring it over here and show the. Kylie found a
Two
couple
asparagus.
asparagus.
Junior
This one is
asparaguses.
tall. That's no good.
Oh, that's cool. Y'all, they'll eat them.
Yep.
Just eat them raw. All right, we're gonna put this milk
Y'all
up.
share
And
'em.
I think we're gonna work on the garden today. It's so pretty
Yeah.
out. I'll let you talk this one.